And welcome to the next stage of testing Fenix fronts. As usual, we'll start by scratching them, and then we'll hit them with steel balls. Let's begin. I'm marking the load levels. We take the carriage, and a Mohs level 9. Set full load and scratch. Now under reduced load. And now switching to level 8. So what do we have? Let me get a close-up. You can clearly see the scratch under full load on the left and under partial load on the right. The scratches are obviously visible, but now here's the interesting part. Level 3 under full load almost didn't do anything. Let me wipe it. I can see it with my eyes, but I'm not sure if you will be able to catch it on camera. From certain angles I can see it. But under reduced load the results is even more interesting. Level 6 is visible, but level 5 didn't do anything at all. So far, out of all the materials I've tested, this is the strongest one in terms of scratch resistance. Yes, interesting, at this point, this is the most scratch resistant material I've tested. Now it's time to check impact resistance using steel balls. Alright, at first glance, under this lighting, I don't see any damage. Let me look again. Yes, I only see damage from the 70mm and 90mm balls. That's impressive. Let me capture this closer. So, first of all, I can see damage starting from the 25mm ball, but only under a special inspection light, very carefully. Here it is, a tiny dent. Then 30mm, again I can see it, but not from every angle. Even under inspection lighting it starts to disappear. 35mm, here's the dent. 40mm, now it becomes more noticeable. 45mm, visible in shadows. 50mm, the material is still intact, again only visible in shadows. Next is 60mm. Here we first see the material starting to slightly fail, like it wants to crack. Then 70mm, this is the first real impact that actually damaged the material. We get a chip. And 90mm, obviously. That's a huge mass and it also causes chipping. So, what conclusions can we draw? The material pleasantly surprised me. It's actually very strong. The scratch test showed that under heavy load it almost resists level 3 on the Mohs scale, just a micro scratch. And under reduced load it's genuinely very strong. It even withstood level 5, which hasn't happened in previous tests. As for impact resistance, this is a completely different level. With previous materials, visible damage started from a 10mm ball. Here it starts from 25mm, and even that is so minor that you can practically ignore it. In real everyday use, you won't notice most of the damage I created. Only the 70mm and 90mm impacts are noticeable, and even then, not easily without searching for them. So overall, impacts up to 70mm don't really affect the usability of this front at all. Only 70-90mm begin to actually damage it. That's a very strong result. I've also updated the strange test scoring table. Previously I used to consider the stylus and ball that caused the first damage, but it was difficult to build a consistent scoring system that way, so I redesigned the table. Now we consider the stylus and ball that didn't cause damage. I also reworked all previous test results and added Fenix, and it jumped way ahead. Previously the leader was laminate panels, specifically Arbor, with 67.5 points. Fenix scored 160 points in the strange test. So let's see what this material shows in the next episode, where I'll test it for fire and water resistance. Also, the idea of making a special episode about the myth, well, not exactly a myth, but the claim that micro scratches can be healed with an iron. We will definitely test that. I'll keep this exact panel and try to repair it with an iron later. See you in the next episode.